Lesson 4. Shopping. Let's begin today's lesson by learning some expressions with the word shopping itself. There's a difference between go shopping and do the shopping. Do the shopping means to buy the regular things needed for everyday life, usually food, personal care items, and things for the house. Go shopping is more general. It can refer to buying things for everyday life or buying extra things like clothes, toys, electronics, etc. Some people like to window shop. This means looking at many items in various shops, but without planning to buy anything. People who want to save money like to shop around. This means going to many different stores to compare the prices and items so that you can get the one that's best for you. And a shopping spree is when you buy a lot of things and spend a lot of money in a short time. Different types of stores. The English language has some specific words for different types of stores. At a supermarket or grocery store, you can buy food, as well as things for your house, like cleaning supplies. At a bakery, you can buy bread, cakes, pies, pastries, muffins, and cupcakes. At a delicatessen, or deli, you can buy cheese, sliced meat for sandwiches, salads, and other prepared food that is ready to eat. At a pharmacy or drugstore, you can buy medicine, Band-Aids, eye drops, and other personal care items. At a jewelry store or jeweler, you can buy necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings. At a pet shop, you can buy animals to keep in your house, food for the animals, and accessories and toys for them. At a hardware store, you can buy things for construction or fixing things around the house, like tools, paint, plumbing supplies, and electrical supplies. A department store is a large store with many different areas, for example, clothes, electronics, food, toys, items for the house, etc. A mall or shopping center is a large building that contains many different stores, usually including a food court with many different restaurants. A convenience store or corner store is a small store that contains some basic snacks, drinks, and supplies. Many gas stations have a convenience store, for example. Other types of stores are often identified by the items they sell. A toy store sells toys. A shoe store sells shoes, etc. Shopping step by step. When you go into the store, you can take a shopping cart or basket to help carry the items you want to buy. The items in a store are organized into aisles. This word refers to the corridors in the supermarket, and placed on different levels called shelves. In clothing stores, they can also be hung on racks. If you want to see if a piece of clothing fits you, is the correct size, you can put it on in the try-on room or fitting room. If the clothing is too big, we say it's loose, and if it is too small, we say it's tight. If an item is on sale, that means there is a discount. The price is lower than normal. In stores, you'll often see the amount of the discount expressed with the word off. For example, 20% off or 10% off. You can also use a coupon, a special piece of paper from a magazine, newspaper, or internet that will give you a discount. To pay for the items, you go to the checkout. The person who works there is called the cashier. Let's imagine your purchase costs $15 and you give the cashier $20. The cashier will give you back $5. This is called your change, along with a receipt, a piece of paper that lists the items you bought. You can put your items into a plastic bag, but if you're buying an item as a gift for someone else, you can ask the cashier if it's possible to gift wrap the item with special decorative paper called wrapping paper. Later, if you discover a problem with the item you bought, you can return it to the store, where you can get a refund, receive your money back, or exchange it for another item of the same type. Some items, especially electronics and other machines, come with a guarantee, an agreement that the store or manufacturer will repair the item if it breaks. You've finished Lesson 4. Now continue to the exercises to practice the vocabulary you've learned.